know something about you. You're perfect. Deep down, you know it's true, but something is missing.
You know a lot about this world, but what about the spiritual one?
10 weeks delving into the wisdom that Kabbalists concealed for thousands of years, until now.
10 weeks to ask all the questions that have been weighing on your mind.
Is the world really outside you? Or is that just a projection, like in a movie? What's the secret to connection?
What is the secret to connection between you and me, man and woman, between anyone for that matter? What's holding us back from the true happiness that we know we all deserve? The answer is inside of you. It just has to be unlocked.
Kabbalah explains everything. The origins of the universe, 4 phases of direct light, how evolution works.
Why are we born? What happens after we die?
The upper worlds, spirituality, freedom of choice, perception of reality.
Economy, ecology, but you're at the center of it all. That's the secret. There are authentic sources written by Kabbalists who attained the spiritual worlds and knew everything that there is to know.
You're invited once a week for 10 weeks to get your deepest questions answered, meet other students like yourself, and learn this method that was passed down from teacher to student throughout the generations. It doesn't take much time, only desire. So join us and watch your life start changing.